Hello, my name's Susie Johns. I've learned through teaching art that there are always a few students who want instant results, a kind of shortcut to success. So in this book, I've tried to include a few little tricks to entice them in. There's this one, for example. Place a piece of corrugated card under your drawing, and when you colour on top with a coloured pencil, it produces a kind of instant wood grain effect. And I've used that in one of the projects here. Then there's this one. You've got the end of your drawing or painting and there's something missing, sparkle or highlight. So make sure you've got some white paint in your art kit, or perhaps a white paint pen or gel pen, and you can put in those few final touches that bring your artwork to life. I've included a brick wall in this outdoor still life that I'm still working on. Instead of measuring out, then drawing and meticulously painting each brick, I've cut out a rectangle of cardboard, glued it to a small offcut of wood, and used this to stamp the bricks with watercolour. It's simple, quick and effective, and the kind of thing I hope will appeal to the readers.